Are approaching Appomatox. Aware already. What it calls it? Dam.
Appomatox River Water Authority. It was on the sign back there.
I mean, we're going to see a river, a dam here.
Don't curse on this thing. You get blocked. You get blocked, honey. Huh?
We're going to show you. We will go down and other. Oh, look at that.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, see, you see it, guys. Look at that water. Oh,
That's
look.
the dam.
That's
water
the dam.
The dam. That's where the water comes from.
Oh.
Now, that building right there is making electricity.
Yeah. Oh. So that building is making electricity. So that's the water dam.
Yeah, it's like a waterfall. You're right.
Oh, that's nice.
Come on, let's walk down.
Okay.
You want to walk down and see the river?
Here's the water dam. Can you see it? So we will go closer to the river. You can hear the water flowing and the birds. You see the sign? Endangered dam. No boating, no swimming, no wading. Ooh, there we go. So here is the other, and hi, good morning. Look at that, it's my first time here. Oh,
Look, there was a fish. Look at the fish jumping over there.
yeah.
Oh, they teasing you.
There's the dam. This is nice here. I like it here. It's cool.
Yeah,
Oh. Lots of fish here.
Yeah, a lot of logs and stuff after all that rain.
Yeah.
And that water was really flowing the other day up here. But it's been years.
Look at that water. It's really cool here. I like it here.
Yeah, it's a green butterfly that's still in there. Yeah? Turn around, take the picture. Come on. You're in line.
Come on, babe. I'll take her a picture there. No? I like it.
As I back up, she backs up with me. Alright, don't you stay with that. Right there, okay. Okay, wait a minute. Alright, Mommy. Look at me, boo-boo. Look at me. Wait a minute. Let's get the dam in the back.
Okay, here.
Let's see ice cream.
Hey, look at that, daddy. Hey, look at daddy.
Okay, right there.
You are shooting.
Okay, you ready? One, two, three. Okay.
Oh, let's go for there, Daddy. Let's go for there.
Yeah, that's that water in it.
There might be fish here. Oh.
Yeah, let's go for there.
It's really clear. You can see them.
You gotta hold my hand there, because you don't know how to swim. You fall in there, I'm gonna have to jump in there and get you.
You can see the water. It's really clear. What's this on a river?
Yeah, Appomatox River.
Appomatox
That's
River.
what they call it, the Appomatox River water authority.
Oh yeah, there's a river there in the name.
Right here, hold her hand. Hold her hand.
This is the Appomatox River. And there's the dam.